All right, we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, or more specifically, we are going to unbag it. I have just gotten back to the CNET office from the Samsung Note 9 launch event. I don't even know what's in this bag, so we're gonna do this together. All right, first thing we have is a rugged protective cover with kickstand for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It is drop tested to military standard. This is not gonna come in the box for everyone. This is just sort of a special gift bag for reviewers, but still kind of cool to see this if you get this phone. You know, this is a case you might wanna buy. Next we have, the wireless charger duo. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone, there is the phone in here. I don't even know which color I got, but let's take a look at this wireless charger duo first. So this was something that Samsung announced on stage. It is a brand new wireless charger because of course the Note 9 does support wireless charging, but Samsung also announced a Galaxy Watch. So this is going to basically give you the capability to charge two devices at the same time. It could be two phones. It could also be the phone and a smartwatch like the Galaxy Watch. So we're gonna just open this here. So I don't know that much about the charger. I did see it. I know it sells in black and in white, and that it's got a 15-watt charging output. I also know that there's a stand. Okay, here we go. We've got it in white, clearly. So this is the platform I was mentioning before. It says fast charge on here. Wireless charger duo, I don't really know what's in here. Quick start guide. Okay, this is the charging cable. So this is adaptive fast charging. This is basically what comes in the box, and to charge this guy up, because you don't charge the charger, that's what you plug into the wall. So you would plug this portion into the wireless charger, and then you plug in the wall charger, and that's what gives us power. Is there anything else in here? Nope. And we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Okay, so there is a plastic film on the top and all around it. And all right, so what we're looking at ultimately, oh, there's a little plastic on the sides here too. I don't like that stuff. Let's get rid of it. All right, so what we're looking here again, this is compatible with any device that is Qi enabled, so that's pretty much all of them these days. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've charged this up just so you can see what it's supposed to look like. Again, this is an aftermarket wireless charger that you would have to buy yourself. It doesn't come when you buy the Note 8. So I've got the Galaxy S9 Plus, and we set it down, and voila, it charges. And if we put it down on this fast charging space, there we go, works perfectly. I think it's time to unbox the Note 9 now, don't you? So let's see, is there anything else in this bag? Nope, just a great little tote bag. Okay, so I do know what color I have because we've got the yellow pen. So this means this is the ocean blue color with the contrasting yellow pen. There are 3 other Note 9 colors as well. One is just basic black. We've got sort of like this metallic copper color, and then we have lavender purple. I did see that one and it was really pretty too, but this is the one that's definitely gonna stand out. So we've got the shiny yellow S Pen on the front. I've got the 128 gigabyte version. There's also one with 512 gigabytes of storage, which is absolutely huge, and it costs a lot more. And then we've got this sort of blue color on the outside. So Samsung boxing has been pretty staid lately, so it's nice to see that they're doing something a little bit more interesting and unique that speaks to the phone design. Let's see, here we go. There's a little arrow that shows you this is the way to unbox it. Just opens up. I just want to do that again. That's just nice. So we've got that blue accent color as well inside of the box. Really makes you feel like there's a cohesive unit to this phone. We've got the very typical SIM card ejector tool, eject pin, and some information about the phone. Very little. I think it's actually, oh yeah, there's a little bit more information about the phone in here. Just kind of tells you how to set it up. All right, now time to tip out the Note 9. Here it is. I'm gonna come back to this. I wanna see what else is in the box first. So far, pretty typical of the Samsung boxes. We've got adaptive fast charging. We've got a USB connector tool. Ooh, open up this little compartment. There are a bunch of goodies in here. We've got our charging cable, USB-C. AKG headphones. These look actually a little bit shinier than what I got in the box with the S9 Plus. Of course, the Note 9 has a headphone jack, so you'll be able to plug that right in, and it looks like there are volume controls on these headphones too. Put the earbuds off to the side. This is usually, Samsung says it's a $100 value. And what else? Got some little pinny clippy things and some different earbud ear tip sizes. And that is it. That is literally everything. Okay, so here we have the Note 9 and everybody's favorite part, pulling off this plastic, which comes in two different parts. So already when I'm holding the Note 9, I see the color, this ocean blue color, seeping around the edges, around this black screen, and it looks really cool. And got lots of like rich, deep color. Oh, I'm taking the sticker off the back. I don't like those either. Oh, there are a lot of stickers here. Let's get all these guys off so we can appreciate what the actual phone looks like. These stickers, of course, are to protect the finish while the phone is being shipped. Okay, so this is pretty much what your Note 9 will look like completely out of the box. And there is that contrasting bright yellow S Pen. And when you write on the screen in this specific mode, your ink, your digital ink will turn up yellow, the same color as this S Pen too. Okay, so here is the Galaxy Note 9 next to the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Same camera setup, but the Note 9 is a slightly bigger phone. We've got many more Galaxy Note 9 videos coming down the line, including a full review, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.